Hori, coconut, black fella, white trash. Now, all of these words have something in common. That is that I probably shouldn't be saying them. But today I want to talk about something else that these words have in common. That is that they've been reclaimed by the same group of people they were used against to degrade, as a way to find empowerment from pain. You see, people are like boxers. We box ourselves in our own insecurities. The only way to work through these insecurities is by confronting them. By confronting them, we no longer have to have these boxes of insecurities affect our mentality. Now, I know that the thought of confronting our insecurities can be scary. But there are plenty of people we can look to for inspiration and courage to do so. In Grace Nichols' poem, Thoughts Drifting Through a Fat Black Woman's Head, she reclaims a word created by white scientists used when describing black slave women. Stereotopicus sky, stereotopicus sea. Stereotopicus waves, stereotopicus me. Now, stereotopicus means high accumulation of fats in and around the buttocks, or in other words, to have a fat bum. Instead of allowing her boxes of insecurity control her mentality, she reclaims a word originally used to humiliate her and her people to describe their beauty instead. Now, what we need to do is use our mana Māori to unbox ourselves. When you're insecure or feeling insecure, all you need to do is remember that you hold the mana of all of your ancestors, and nothing can outweigh that mana. So whānau, I urge you not to box yourselves in these insecurities. Take the things you don't like about yourself and throw it away. Confront your own insecurities with your mana Māori. Kia ora.